Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today, I'll show you how to change the currency on YouTube Studio. First, open YouTube Studio by going to Studio, YouTube Palm on your browser or by using the YouTube Studio app. Next, click on the Settings option, which is located in the left-hand menu at the bottom. In the Settings menu, click on Channel and then go to the Advanced Settings tab. Scroll down to the Currency section. Here, you'll see the current currency selected for your account. To change it, click the Change button next to the Currency option. Select the currency that you want to use from the list of available currencies and click Save. That's it. You've successfully changed the currency on your YouTube Studio account.